In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change number of processors in Windows 11. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the quantity of processors that you are using on your Windows 11 PC. So to start this, press Windows plus R, and you will open the Run window. All that you have to do here is type msconfig and then click OK. So press Windows plus R, you will see this window, and then type msconfig and press OK. You can also look for system configuration on the Windows search function. In here, you will have 5 tabs: General, Boot, Services, Startup, and Tools. You have to switch over to Boot. You will see your current OS over here. Make sure that you select the one that you will be customizing and then go to Advanced Options. Now, at the top, you will be able to customize the number of processors on Windows 11. So all that you have to do is take this option here and then change the number to whatever you wish. Once you change the number, you customize all of the options, you click OK, apply, and then reboot your system. It is going to be applied. Now, of course, for this video, I don't want to change this. I'm just demonstrating how you can do it. So to keep it simple, enable this option, change whatever else you prefer, click OK, and then apply. You will also be able to customize the maximum memory, and everything will be saved. When you restart your PC, it is going to use the number of processors that you set up here. If you wish to go back to default, then you just have to make sure that this option is unticked. So let's say you were using this option before, and then all that you have to do to disable it is make sure that it is not ticked, like this. You will not be able to change the number of processors, which means that it is going to be set up by default. Then you can click OK and close out of this window. If you see multiple boot options here, make sure that you select the correct one, but for most people, including myself, there's only one here, so it's always going to be the first one. So you just go here, Advanced Options, and change the number of processors to however many you would like to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to change number of processors Windows 11. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.